Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Range Rover Velar 2-litre D200 Dynamic SE, finished in Varicene blue metallic exterior paint, with 20-inch 7-split spoke silver alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include premium LED headlights, front fog lights, red brake calipers, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. Entering now beneath the gesture tailgate, we can see the load space with the 40/20/40 rear folding seats and the parcel shelf. As we enter into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside and the cloud greened leather seats, which come fitted with ISOFIX child seat mounts. And on the centre console we can see the power sockets and second row climate vents. As we look into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, as we turn in to see the heated front seats. Turning now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the adaptive cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, the chrome gearshift paddles, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we can see the climate controls with the heated seat controls. We have the rear camera display, as well as the DAB radio. Looking now to the centre console, as we open up the hatch we can see the wireless charging pad, and we have the gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.